Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna talk about the new features in Photos app on iPhone. So here I have an iPhone with the new iOS 26 and this is the Photos app, and let's see what are the new features. So the first thing is that now we have here only two tabs. The first one is the library, and if you swipe up, as you can see now, we have here years, also we have months, and we have all. And if you go up here, you can filter again from favorites, edit photos, videos, and other things. And also we have here the view options. We have the zoom in, the zoom out, and the ratio grid aspect. Now, if you go down, as I told you, we have also the collections tab here. And here we have some features. If you tap here on these three dots, you can show all or collapse all, as you can see. Now let's go to show all. And we have here in the top three types of view. This is the first one, this is the second one, and the third one. I will go to the first one. And if you tap on collapse all, also we have here the option reorder. And from here you can reorder the categories. Just press and hold and move like this section, and then just check, and that's all. So it is very easy. And now let me talk about some features from here, from collections, because here we have utilities. And in utilities we have hidden and recently deleted photos. As you can see, we have a little lock here because these folders are protected by Face ID. And if you tap on the first one, you need to use Face ID to unlock. Just tap View Album, okay, and use Face ID. As you can see, I don't have here any item. But to add an item, it is very easy. Just press and hold, and then just tap hide, and tap hide photos. And as you can see, photo disappear from here. And if you go to collections and tap on hidden, tap view album, and this is my photo. We have also an option to hide here the folder hidden photo. For that, you need to go to settings, and here go to apps, and go down and look for photos. Here there are, and we have here show hidden album. If you disable this feature and go back to photos, as you can see, now we don't have here anymore the hidden photos folder. Okay, so I will enable back this feature, and now we have again. Okay, now if you go here to recently deleted, again tap view album, use Face ID, and here are the recently deleted photos. And if you want to recover a photo, it is very easy. Just press and hold on it, tap recover, and that's all. Okay, now let's go back to the library. Now let me show you the new feature Spatial Photo in the new iOS 26. So here I have a photo, and here we have a little icon, and if you tap on it, now we have here a spatial scene. As you can see, we have a 3D scene. Unfortunately, if you exit, the spatial effect disappear, and you need to enable it back from here. If you don't have this little icon, you can enable this feature from settings, again to photos, go down, and here we have control for creating spatial photos. If you have disabled this feature, just enable it from here, because if it's disabled and go to photos, we don't have here that icon. And now if I enable it, okay, as you can see, now it's back. So these are a few features from the new iOS for the Photos app. I hope this video to be useful for you. Please leave me in the comment area if you have any questions, and see you to the next one. Have a nice day.